This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Presenter notes in Keynote help you deliver slides confidently during presentations. You can type notes for each slide to remind yourself of key points and timing cues. Open Keynote and choose View, then show Presenter Notes to display the Notes area. Alternatively, press Command-Option-P to toggle Presenter Notes quickly on a Mac. Notes sync with iCloud when enabled, so your device displays the same text. Keep concise notes, 1 to 3 lines per slide, for easy reading during delivery. Practice with notes before presenting to improve pacing and confidence. Format notes with bold, italics, and bulleted lists for quick scanning on screen. Set a readable font size, like 18 to 24 points, for presenter display legibility. Enable presenter display in Keynote to show current slide, next slide, and timer. Connect a projector or use an external display at 1920x 1080 resolution for best results. Practice with the Remote Control or Keynote remote app to advance slides smoothly. Check that notes remain private. Audience, export a PDF with speaker notes via File Export to PDF with notes. Print notes pages for a physical script using File, then Print, and selecting Notes layout. Sync notes across Mac, iPad, and iPhone using iCloud and the same Apple ID signed in. Use Split View on iPad to edit slides while viewing notes in the Keynote app. Collaborate with teammates and keep notes private by restricting editing to slide content only. Search Presenter Notes with Command F to find keywords before a rehearsal or live talk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.